is the Apple Vision Pro. This is the beginning of Apple's spatial computing journey. Their first headset, AR, VR, wearable face computer, whatever you want to call it. And this is the unboxing. So everything that I show you guys in this box, it's gonna be a representation of what you would get should you decide to spend the $3,500 that it takes to get one of these, or in this case actually $3,900, because this is the 1 terabyte Vision Pro. You'll see the accessories, you'll see it booted up for the first time,